here. Okay. This is DeView Hotel. This is the parking lot. Okay, that was embarrassing. I knocked on the wrong door. So the moment you enter, there's the toilet there. Then there's the bed. It's enough for 2 people, 2 adults. It's good already. And you have the mirror here. Right side here, you can hang your clothes. And obviously, you can't make do without a dressing room table, right? Dressing room mirror, sorry. And of course, the sink here for you to brush your teeth lah. This is to bathe and do your big business as usual. So there's 2 towels and shampoo and body wash is given.